Hi, welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we will be discussing the Master of Business Administration for Banking and Finance. Okay, before starting this, I want to share something. We are here for consulting services. If you have any queries or if you have any doubts related to the course, so you can contact us in detail in our WhatsApp number. And if you have a related query to the PDF or handwritten assignments, so we also provide this. For this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number or you can call. Now, the course name is MBA Bank Business Administration, Master of Business Administration, Banking and Finance. This is the open distance learning. And open distance learning, this is a distance course where you can learn from your home and you have to just go for the exam at institution. Now this duration is 2 years. You have to go for this is the course only for 2 years. Medium is English, specialized in banking and finance. The description is also given here. Postgraduate academic qualification for the members of IIBF. This program has been considered necessary to upgrade the managerial skills, capability, and orientation of the in-service banking personnel to the award of this postgraduate level degree. For more detail, link is also given here, so you can download the handbook of this course. Eligibility is you also given here. So eligibility, if you have a bachelor degree of minimum 3 years, which is at least, and you should be at least 50% marks uh, in your bachelor degree, and the fee structure is also given here. So 15,500 per semester for first, second, and fourth semester, and for third semester is 17,500. Registration fees and examination fees are different, and the development are different, so you have to pay for these also. So program coordinator is also given here. Now the courses title, courses um, given here. So how many papers in your semester 1, semester 2, semester 3, and semester 4. So approx you can see the seven papers, and the 3 and 4. So approx 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So there are the 21 papers in this course. So you have to pass all the papers in this one, and for this all papers you have to pass, then you will get this degree. Thank you so much for watching. If you have another query, you can contact us anytime.